Here's a tip I always give my students. Before you start embroidering a design, always check, double check the location your design is going to stitch. And I want to show you how you can do that. So I've gone ahead and I've already selected a design, touched OK, and gotten over to the embroidery stitch out screen. The hoop has been attached. If I touch the start button, I am going to be stitching. But I don't want to stitch just yet. I need to just double check. Remember, embroidery is not the easiest to take out. Yeah, we can. We can take out a few stitches, not fun to take out a whole design. So I do remember being taught this way at the beginning, and it saves me. So where we're going is the design positioning function. That is the yellow flower with the 4 arrows coming out of it. Now when you're here, you will be, and we are going to get into design positioning in depth with another video. This would be where you can also hoop crooked and then have your design realign with where your marks are. So if you don't get things hooped perfectly perpendicular and parallel, this is going to be your lifesaver. But it is also where when you touch the toolbox, this is what you have to open. It doesn't automatically show. Touch the toolbox. There are 5 bubbles here. The first one is going to take the needle to the upper left corner. And that just gives you an idea. Okay, this design is this tall over here. It is all the way over this wide. We can see where the bottom 2 corners are as we touch across those other 2 bubbles. Okay, I'm liking, I have a visual sense of how big this design is, because sometimes that's a little deceiving on screen. And that center one, the one with the little plus in it, that brings me to where the center of my design will stitch. So if I had a dot on my fabric where I need the center to be, this is the screen you'll use it from. So if I'm going to just kind of leave my finger right here. So if I needed to move this design over, I can just go ahead, slide it over to that area on my screen, use the little arrows to fine tune, get right back into and on top of where my dot is. Those are very small increments, but that is a way to do it. But the key is truly, where is that design going to be? Make sure you're not stitching over an area that you weren't expecting to do so. If those 4 corners look correct to you, just go ahead and touch OK. Since I've moved this design, I am going to cancel those movements, and it double checks that I wanted to do so, and I say yes, that's fine. It'll put that design back to where I had planned to embroider it. So corner to corner check, always double check where that design is going to stitch. You never know where you might have thought you were one place and then it's ready to stitch and now it's showing you it's over here. That's going to save you a headache in the future.